guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anil Pilgrim. I'm the friend that tells you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about your makeup. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss another video. Okay. In today's video, another late October takeover video. I know
Whatever that means.
Let's not start. For October takeover, if you don't know, I do creative looks that I typically don't do. Today's look is inspired by Vanessa Gaim. Listen, I can't pronounce her last name, so I'm gonna just put the picture right here so you guys can get a good idea of what the look is gonna be like. If you're interested in seeing somebody just do pretty makeup, go ahead and keep watching. What are your thoughts on us changing the name of this series to probably fall takeover? Because every time I attempt to do October takeover, it literally never happens, or I get to do one look and then I'm so busy that I never get the time to finish the rest. Let me know in the comments what you think, if we should change it to probably fall takeover. I could just promise you guys 3 out of the box looks. How about that? I had to finish this video in 30 minutes and I hate rushing on doing my makeup because it should be therapeutic. I had a midterm before this and I have something else to do, so here I am rushing to do it, but I believe that I'm still gonna get it done properly. I love when people are like, I love your makeup so much, and then they only wear foundation, and I'm like, okay, well, you need to start highlighting and wearing a contour, or like I said to them something as simple as you need to wear blush, and they're like, no, I don't want to do any of that. If you want the look, you gotta put it on. Stop being afraid to put on some makeup. You don't have to put on as much as you see other people do. And he's just giving me a Jolly Rancher. Tell me why I feel like I could start bouncing off the walls right now. Today's look, we're gonna be using just 2 palettes. BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette and the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams eyeshadow palette. I don't know how it missed me when I was watching the mini tutorial that she has on Instagram. I don't have any of the colors that she used. Wait, no, I have one. Take it, one. So the rest of them I'm gonna have to mix them, and I'm gonna show you guys how. For my first color, I'm going to start with this pastel looking blue. I realized in the video that she actually did use a pastel blue even though it looks darker. I'm gonna place it right here in my outer corner. Actually, powder here on my face to catch any fallout. It's funny how I actually did a review on this palette. It's not a palette that I would reach for, but I realized that for a lot of colors that I do not have, I tend to reach for this one. So for example, I don't have any other palette with this kind of pastel blue. That's the only problem. The fallout goes crazy and the colors don't stay. They don't stay. And for some strange reason, when I'm blending it out, it starts getting darker. Make it make sense. Look at how blue this part is, and then it starts looking like it's getting a bit darker. Stop playing around. This brush is just the little brush that comes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Let's move on to the other color, which would be a really cute pastel purple. Using the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to use this purple, and then I'm going to mix with some of this white and see how well we can get that pastel color. Yeah. Okay, we got it. A little bit of that, and then mixing it here. I actually learned this from Beats by Deb. She wanted to match it with some part of her outfit, and I was like, whoa, that's actually so cool. I know that you can mix liquid stuff. I never thought of mixing powder. Add a little bit more white, add back some more purple. We're gonna try this now with pink. This is actually pretty fun. The thing about the pink one is I tested this out on myself yesterday and the colors came out pretty patchy. Let's try again this color, and I'm gonna use this one here. Ooh, okay, so it's starting to look a little bit like how I want it to look. Just a little tip of white. That might have been too much because this is how it's looking now. Let's see. Absolutely perfect. And thankfully I don't need a lot because this is just the front part of my eye. Yes, we did it. Thank you, Jesus.
We did it! Yay! Always team up. We did it.
Let's move into the drawing aspect of this whole butterfly look. Let's wipe this all away because my under eyes get really dry. I don't want to look ashy on here. Now I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever gel liner, and we're gonna use this little palette here. This is where it probably gets a little bit complicated, but for some strange reason I'm not worried. I'm gonna use this brush from Walmart Paint Supplies. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna use this one. Tilt my head down a little bit, bring this part around. It's so hard to get it with the folding under my eyes. Same thing again, the middle of the eye. You see how that one's a little bit too big? I believe this one didn't come down far enough, but this one did. Let's bring it down. Now for the top part, she starts somewhere over here. Just gonna carefully draw it because I'm very meticulous about how my stuff looks. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna retrace the line afterwards. As I move it, that's when the smudging starts, and that's what I don't want. 3 marks going down, starting in the center. There's one there, one here, and another one. Make those just a little bit more precise without making it larger. It looks something like that. I'm gonna do that on the next eye and then come back. More of that blue eyeshadow in areas like here. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. That's more like it, because that was giving something a while ago, but I don't know what exactly it was giving. Put the rest on my lash line. Now we add white liner. I'm gonna use my MAC Sing to a Whisper paint pot. This is what it looks like. Might not need as much, so let's take about this much. There are 4 dots along here on the wing. There are 2 dots on each of these. It's like I'm trying to put this on and this brush just won't allow it to stay on. Let's go over number 2 because I'm just that much of a perfectionist. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. She put gold on her lids. Let me spray some setting spray on this gold eyeshadow that I haven't used in 50 million years. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. It looks something like this. I see on her lash line. It's a good thing I didn't mix that too watery because then it would have been a problem. She has some in here on her lid. Then it goes all the way to this little section that has that first stroke. I'm gonna put on lashes, I'm gonna fix my hair, and I'm gonna do my lips, and then I'll come right back so you guys can see the finished look. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Let's do a check of this entire look. Let's do eyes closed. Then we do it open. You guys get a side profile. Let me know if you guys think that I did it justice. I know that we were in a rush. I feel like I chose a lot of the wrong brushes, but I think that this look was super easy. It just requires you to be very detailed. Considering from my very small eyes, this actually came out really nice. I think it looks very pretty. This is why I was kind of hesitant to do this look, because I would still wear this on a regular day outside and not feel no ways about it, because I know that this is a little racy for some people, but this is definitely down my lane. I still think it's a pretty cute October takeover look. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of this look, if you'd ever tried this look, or if you just enjoyed watching overall. If you're new here, you just subscribed and I don't know you yet, don't forget to leave a comment. We're all a family here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you love this video. I hope you love the look. I think we're gonna change it to fall takeover, right? All right, so I'll see you guys for another fall takeover next year. Bye.